Hi guys, I'm Hans and today I bring an exceptional and game-changing marketing case study. And no, it's not for a brand, but of a guy with billions of views who built billion-dollar brand without using any traditional marketing method. Yes, that's Mr. Beast for you.
If YouTube is a pyramid, there's one man who stands on top of it, Mr. Beast.
And popular YouTuber Mr. Beast.
Mr. Beast, a 26-year-old multi-millionaire and YouTube megastar.
Mr. Beast, a huge YouTube star.
Mr. Beast now responding on social media.
Mr. Beast, who has more than 300 million followers.
And finally, Mr. Beast, the YouTuber with more than 245 million subscribers.
Popular YouTuber Mr. Beast.
Well, we all know Mr. Beast, the marketing beast who literally changed the whole scenario of modern marketing. With billions of views, this guy built billion-dollar brands that nobody has ever thought would be possible. But have you ever thought how he was able to do that? Which strategy did he actually use that changed the whole game of marketing for him? How did he become so successful and even without marketing knowledge? Well, before I tell you his billion-dollar strategies, let me share his story.
I'm just from a small town, relatively small town in North Carolina. Just grew up with my brother. My mom raised us. Nothing too crazy.
Mr. Beast, aka Jimmy Donaldson, born in Kansas, US, had a passion for gaming. He was fascinated by the famous YouTuber PewDiePie. He was always inspired by him and wanted to become like him, someone with great fan following, but his interest lied in the gaming niche. So to achieve that, Jimmy launched his own YouTube channel in 2012. In the early years, Jimmy used to post videos on games like Call of Duty, Minecraft, gameplay, all those. And he was only 13-year-old at that time. And he barely used to get 100 views on his videos. And because of that, he became obsessed with why some videos blew up on the internet while others don't. In an interview, Mr. Beast said that he was obsessed with the YouTube algorithm.
Kind of just felt like an outcast because I just was hyper obsessed over it and no one else really related to me on it.
Good evening.
And to understand how some videos just go viral. And this changed everything for Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast tested everything from thumbnails to titles, getting deeper into the working of YouTube algorithm. But how does this curiosity transform into billion-dollar brand? Well, his obsession. On January 8, 2017, Mr. Beast went viral for the first time.
One of my first real viral videos.
76,411, 76,412, 76,414, 76,415, 76,416.
And that's where it kind of clicked if I do interesting things, people will watch.
In the video, I count to 100,000. Mr. Beast gave himself a task to count 100,000 and this tested his stamina and took 40 hours to complete this challenge. This got a crazy attention and went viral on the internet. And after this, he literally hacked the virality. Awesome, right? But how did he really converted these views into the flow of cash? He used entertainment as a marketing tool. Yes, this was his technique to become a billion-dollar brand. His content wasn't just fun, but it was a viral machine. In coming time, he gave many viral, bigger and crazier videos. From Last to Leave a Circle wins 100,000 to bought everything in the store. He wasn't just making content, he was distributing attention economics. Now, here is how he built a brand empire. When Mr. Beast started getting good reach and great number of views, he used entertainment as a marketing tool. Yes, this was his technique to become a billion-dollar brand. His content wasn't just fun, but it was a viral machine. In coming time, he gave many viral videos, bigger and crazier videos. From Last to Leave the Circle win 100,000, bought everything in the store. he wasn't just making content, he was distributing attention economics. Now, here is how he built a brand empire. When Mr. Beast started getting good reach and great number of views, he knew it's more than that. He knew that his content has a capability to become a business, because he wasn't just creating content, he was bringing impact in the world. So, Mr. Beast launched Mr. Beast Burger.
You better come get a Beast Burger. What's up, boys? Welcome. What can I get you? All we have is burgers. Grab that. One sec. We need 4 burgers. Four burgers.
He launched Mr. Beast Burger in December 2020. The big move created a massive impact on Mr. Beast's revenue. Mr. Beast Burger was a delivery-only fast food chain, and he launched it through a ghost kitchens. In one day, Mr. Beast opened 200 locations across US, putting a Beast food into the fast food industry. Things changed when Mr. Beast promoted his brand with viral videos. In these videos, he gave away food and cash for free.
I opened up the world's first free restaurant. And if that wasn't enough, I also paid people to eat at my restaurant.
He created a massive attraction to download the app and order surges. By launching Mr. Beast Burger, Mr. Beast diversified his business venture, created a successful brand, and supported local businesses, making a new revenue stream for them. And then he launched Feastables. After a big success of Mr. Beast Burger, Mr. Beast introduces his followers with a new brand in 2022, Feastable. It was a chocolate brand that quickly distributed the confectionery market. Now, here is the thing. Surprisingly, this chocolate brand generated more revenue than Mr. Beast's earnings from YouTube. Yes, but how? How does it happen? Well, it is because of these 3 strategies. Number 1 is massive giveaways. To create a buzz for his newly launched product, Feastable launched a sweepstakes with over $1 million in prizes. Now, this also included a chance to participate in his future videos. Mr. Beast created a FOMO in the audience and a personal connection with Mr. Beast, driving explosive sale as a result. Number 2 is branding. For Mr. Beast, Feastable wasn't just a product, it was a mission to do good. So he donated a portion of his profit to support Beast philanthropy, funding food banks, ocean cleanups, and much more. And Mr. Beast clearly portrayed his mission to the world using his brand, meaning showcasing an amazing branding. And it made fans feel that every purchase of this product make a difference. Number 3, audience as a marketers. When you grow your brand at this level, where your customer and fans do the promotion and marketing for you, that is when it is called a massive success. Mr. Beast leveraged his 200 million plus audience to create viral content and making Feastable a trend. The brand sold out in stores like Walmart and made $10 million plus in the early months, surpassing the YouTube earnings of Mr. Beast. But there was a catch while building these 2 big brands, and the catch was CAC. Customer acquisition cost was literally 0 because everything was sold through content. His business journey didn't end here. Mr. Beast, in collaboration with Mark Rober, launched Team Trees initiative. His goal was to raise $20 million to plant over 20 million trees by the end of the year.
Plant 20 million trees. It went super viral on Reddit and Twitter, at which point someone else suggested he should team up with me and a bunch of other YouTubers to make it happen, which got me thinking. And so with that, I made my way to Oregon to meet with Mr. Beast and his crew to plant 20 million trees.
20 million trees in a 48-hour time period.
And guess what? He was not only successful to meet the expected target, but also exceeded by raising over $23 million and leading to planting millions of trees globally. Not only this, Mr. Beast, with his beast brain, expanded into global market. He created dubbed channels and implemented strategic partnership made a very big difference. And I will create a separate video on Team Trees and global expansion of Mr. Beast, creating a real difference and making a $1 billion brand. Now here are 3 quick takeaways for you. Content and business approach. Mr. Beast gained 1 billion video views in over 30 days in November 2022 by posting very funny and engaging videos like giving away cars. His content creation helped to make a direct connection with the audience, and when he turned it into a business out of a content creation, he created a $1 billion brand. As a business owner, focus on not just creating content, but by creating an impact. It may take some time to build properly, but when you do it, it's like a money-making machine. Number 2 is understand platform mechanism. Mr. Beast's curiosity and obsession to learn YouTube algorithm transformed the whole content and marketing game for him. As a business owner, always understand the mechanism of the platform that you are using to grow. Number 3 is build a strong culture. Mr. Beast became Mr. Beast because of his team. He always emphasized on the importance of investing in employees' growth and create a collaborative environment. Being in the business, investing in your team and in building a strong and dedicated team. This was the story of Mr. Beast. But what about yours? If you are starting your business, have a business or have an idea about business and want to build an empire like Mr. Beast, but you don't know how to execute everything, especially marketing and branding, then you can book a call with me where we can discuss and go deeper into building a winning marketing strategy for your business. Just click the first link in the description. You will see the slots open and you can book your call from there. And also comment Mr. Beast if you want me to create another informative video on Team Trees and Mr. Beast global expansion. So thank you so much for watching till now, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.